Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. Over the next few weeks, we're going to be talking about different types of finish. Today in particular, we are going to be talking about water-based polyurethane. And water-based poly is great for low-traffic items like bookshelves, bookcases, even end tables. And one of the great things about water-based poly is that it has a low odor and a low toxicity, which if you've ever worked with anything of the opposite nature, you know how big of a deal this is. And you can apply water-based poly right on top of latex or acrylic paints and it's not going to change the color. Whereas with oil-based finishes, you're going to have that yellowing or that ambering. Sometimes you like that, sometimes you don't. To apply it, you're going to want to use a synthetic bristle brush or a foam roller or a rag. And to clean up, you are going to use some warm water and dish soap and lather, rinse, repeat 2 or 3 times and you'll be good to go.